Hello students, good morning. So today I will start the curl of a vector field. Curl of a vector field. So in previous lecture I have already talked about the gradient and divergence, right? So that is gradient means del phi, del dot phi, right? In previous lecture I have already discussed कि gradient phi, here phi is the scalar function. A you take A and A is vector function. Phi is scalar function. Scalar function. And A is vector function. A vector field. Okay? Vector field. So in previous lecture, it is clear that कि gradient given del operator operate to the scalar function, this function changes to the vector function. But in divergence of a vector A, that is diverge del operator is operate to the vector function or vector field. This turns to scalar function, right? I have already discussed in mathematically that is here A dot dA upon d tau limit d tau tending to 0. This function is known as divergence of vector A, right? Simply suppose any surface, Gaussian surface, take it here small, right? That is volume is d tau, area vector, normal to the surface, along normal to the surface, dA, and field vector A. So to calculate the electric flux, A dot dA, right? So this function is divided by the small volume element, small volume element, small volume element, and that this volume should be tends to 0. Okay, so this is known as divergence of vector field A. Okay, so now let us start the curl of a vector field, right? So curl of a vector field is simply constructed just like as a cross product, A cross V. So we can write del cross A, del cross A. Here A is the vector field. A is the vector field, or del operator is also the vector quantity. Vector operator is equal to I del y del x plus j del y plus k del y del z. Here cross ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap, right? Okay, so you can write del cross A in determinant form की I cap, j cap and k cap. ये del operator del upon del x, del y, del z, ax, ay, az, right? Simply here calculate here I del az upon del y minus del ay upon del z minus j cap, this term तो del Az upon del x minus del Ax upon del z. This multiply here plus k cap del Ay upon del x minus del y upon del x minus del Ax del y, right? So simply you can calculate the curl of a vector field in this form. क्योंकि here कि I cross I equal to 0, I cross J equal to कि I cross I, J cross J and K cross K equal to 0. I cross J, K, J cross I, K. It means that is here the area. 1 second. Okay. Simply in the same way, suppose let us take a arbitrary surface. Here small area element in divergence form. So curl means rotation. Curl means rotational vector, just like as a curly hair. So how can calculate curl of a vector field? So simply a circular wire. Okay, circular wire. Here that is a small line element dl, and to draw the normal vector, that is known as area vector. Right? And field vector is also in this direction, electric field A vector. So to calculate this point, ki A dot dl, okay, A is the vector quantity, dl is the line element, and divided by small area and delta A, right? Delta A, and delta A should be tending to 0, right? That is known as curl of a vector field A. Clear? So from this definition we construct in this form, indeterminate form, in Gauss divergence theorem, right? In next lecture we will discuss about the Maxwell law in electrostatics, Maxwell law in magnetostatics. So del cross A equal to A dl, that is line element, area vector. Delta A is the small area of this segment, that is known as curl of the vector field. So you can say the curl of a vector A is denoted by del cross A, right? So del cross A is a vector quantity whose magnitude is maximum. Magnitude is the maximum net circulation of the A per unit area, as the area tending should be 0. When the area is orientated to make the net circulation is maximum. Suppose just like as a, let us take a circular wire. The flow of electric A, that is magnetic field vector, is B. Take the small area element, this form, dl. So simply B dot dl, right, upon delta A, and delta A should be 0, equal to del cross B. It means curl of vector field B. Okay, curl of vector field B. So simply the curl of a vector field, right? So the magnitude is, right? The magnitude is maximum net circulation of A, net circulation of field vector B per unit area, right? Per unit area, okay? As the area should be 0, whose direction is normal to the direction of the area. That means the net circulation is maximum. Okay, net circulation is maximum, right? Net circulation is maximum. So some point कि curl of a vector is, तो curl simply कि that is rotational vector quantity, rotational vector quantity. If curl of vector A equal to 0, should be 0, that means कि vector quantity, a vector field is irrotational. Vector field is irrotational. Irrotational. Okay? Irrotational. Vector field is irrotational. Right? The direction, I have already, direction is always normal to the net maximum circulation. Net maximum circulation. In this case, it is not possible to have the curl of a scalar quantity. It is not possible. Okay. It is not possible to curl of a scalar field. Scalar field. It is not possible to curl of a scalar field, right? So simply, if del cross equal to 0, that means vector field is irrotational. If del cross A equal to not equal to 0, if del cross A is not equal to 0, right? That means the vector, that means the area is orientated to make the net circulation is maximum. That means the vector and cross product gives the volticity of the vector field. Gives the volticity of the vector field. Okay? Suppose I have how can calculate the curl of any vector field. So here, suppose one example कि f equal to, f is the vector field, f equal to y z square I cap plus x z square plus 2 j cap plus 2 xyz minus 1 k cap. Okay, is conservative. The vector field is conservative. Suppose the vector field is conservative. You have to calculate the curl of a vector field. Yeah. So curl of a vector field means del operator cross f. Simply here write in determinant form ki I cap, j cap and k cap. Del y del x, del y del y and del y del z. The component of I cap. So here y z square. The component of z j cap. So here x z square plus 2. The component of k cap 2xy z minus 1. Okay, you can write in determinant form. अब here I cap, del y del x, del y del x. तो 2xy 2xyz minus 1 minus del upon del z x z square plus 2 bracket close. Okay, minus j cap del, sorry, okay, here del upon del y, this del upon del y 2xyz minus 1 del upon del z x z square plus 2. Okay, j cap, it means this. So del a del x 2xyz minus 1 minus del upon del z y z square plus k del y del x x z square plus 2 minus del upon del y y z square. Okay, y z square. अब here differentiate of this function with respect to y. It means 2 is constant, x is constant, z is constant. तो I cap only 2xz 1, the differentiation is 0, minus this function differentiate with respect to z. So x is constant to 2xz minus 2xz, 2xz, right? Here 1 का differentiation with respect to y 0, 2 differentiation with respect to z 0, minus j here 2xyz x respect, तो 2yz 1 0 minus here minus z, तो y is constant 2yz plus k x, this function differentiate with respect to x, that means z square is constant as it is. So z square 2, that is 0 minus z square. Okay, cancel to each other, that means ki 0. So del cross f equal to 0. Okay, curl of vector field f equal to 0, that means ki the vector field f is conservative. The vector field f is conservative. Okay, the vector field f is conservative, right? Thank you. So I will discuss the next lecture some numerical problem based on the gradient, divergence and curl, and also the derivative integral, that means ki position derivative, first derivative of the position vector, second derivative of the position vectors. Thank you.